Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Shimmerz paints where, remember, if you use my name in the comments, you get a small little freebie surprise to try. It's that easy. Okay, so I have a big amount of stuff that I'm using. So as you see in the diamond shapes, that white paste that you see is Dazzlerz, putting on the Glitz. And then the two yellow colors, the first one that I'm using that you see right there is Coloringz No Yokings. The second one that you'll see me come in with as I'm cleaning off my brush in between is Coloringz Little Yellow School Bus. And each diamond shape has Puttin on the Glitz because I wanted that glittery, shimmery style. And I'll tell you why I wanted it the way it is here in a second. And then the next one that I put down is the Vibez, which is Pop Art Pink. And then the next one is Vibez Mango Tango. Now, the reason why I wanted all of these goodness, colors and stuff on there is obviously because I'm doing Shimmerz paints. I wanted to recreate one of the mixed watercolored papers that Vicki Boutin has in those books that she has, because I'm in my Cuba book. I went back to that because I wanted to get some more of those done, before the crazies of school get started here. And so I saw that she did one that was just brush strokes back and forth, and there was 4. Now this makes it easy, I could be done and that's it. But now I come in with this stencil that I made out of a cut file from Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. And I am now putting down Texturez Tidy Widy. And this here just adds a little bit more, texture and glitz and, all of this. So I'm just going through it. Now this stencil is out of acetate, so it's easy to wash and redo and all of that. So if you're not sure how to make a stencil out of acetate, honestly, act like it's a piece of paper. I do use the deep cut for the Cricut anyway, the deep weld thing. And look how goody this is. I'll get back to the Cricut here in a second. Look how cute and gorgeous and it's just got all this glitz and glamour and oh, I just love it. It's so cute and pretty. I just love how this part turns out. And then we start back up again. The photo I'll get to in a second. So with the Cricut, I use the deep well so that it cuts through. And I have a blade just for doing stencils out of acetate, because obviously you know that can hurt the blade because of what acetate is. But I have found that is the best if you're wanting your stencils to last a lot longer. That is the best stuff to use is acetate, because you can wash it, you can do everything. I've tried everything. I've even ordered stencil paper and all of that. I just feel like that is just easier. So the only pattern papers that you see me use is this little bit right here, and then I take that same pink color and I place it on the back of this, and that's all I did off camera. The rest of it you guys will see all on camera here. But now it's just the embellishment part. So as I'm embellishing, I will tell you a little bit about the photo. So, all right, here's Cuba. I went on this excursion. It was a history excursion regarding the history behind Havana and, Ernest Hemingway and all of those individuals, the explorers from the Spaniards to us coming down and all of this. Well, one of the governors back to whatever, it had to have been the governor. I can't quite remember, but it's got to be the governor. So his wife would take this afternoon nap, and every time that a horse and buggy would come by, it would wake him up. So he had the servants make this wooden plank street. And they kept the history. This is the only wooden street in Havana. And I personally really, really, really love how this photo turned out. I think it is amazing. These shoes are my Converse shoes, and I decided to make my title The Simple Things. with that other yellow sticker that says my life is a grand adventure, because I feel like it is a grand adventure, because, you know, with all of my travels and everything else that I do and all this. Well, I took a monochromatic style but with a twist. So all of the pinks and stuff is only in the background with a little bit with the yellow. And then I took the teal that's on top of where my photo is at, and like that jean color that out of my capris that I'm wearing, and I put that on top of the yellow. And once you see the, like, when I say bam, this like made this whole layout just come to completely life, you will totally see why I did it the way I did, because I had an idea after I got all this done of what I wanted to do. So as of right now, it looks kind of weird because I'm trying to stay square, and then you'll see what I do to bring it together and just make it look all that much better. So here I am, I'm placing all of this goodness down and gluing and getting this down. Now these shoes that Vicky Boutin has, she has the die cut and then she has the sticker. Well, this shoe color actually matches the shoes that I'm wearing. I have an ombre style Converse shoe on, and with the wood grains that it's a part of, it's like, it just stands out. And the ombre actually turns into the white. And if you don't know Converse, Converse actually has that white top, just like those shoes, the pictures of the shoes that are on there. And that's why I wanted to put that photo. That was honestly what started this layout, was the watercolor paper that I wanted to recreate, and that sticker, because I knew I had this photo. So I just love how this turns out. So that's a little bit of the history. So the wife of this governor was able to sleep because of this wooden. It made it softer with the horse and buggy going across versus being on cobblestone. And this was one of the trips that Josh didn't come along with me on, I think, if I remember correctly. I don't think he went on this one. No, he didn't, because this was one of them that I did in the morning by myself. And here are the butterflies. Like I said, I wanted butterflies in. I'm trying to, in all of my layouts, is butterflies. So I brought in 4 of them from that one. And this is that honeycomb one that Vicky Boutin did. And I'm coming in with little bits of sayings and stuff. I'm just kind of placing them wherever, just to kind of make them, again, it all comes together. You'll start to see why this looks the way it is, because you'll see what comes up. And I'm just getting all these little bits. And here it comes. Look at those tassels. They are perfect. They match. They're just, the joy of going with 3 things: watercolor, tassel, and my shoes. And that's what made this layout the best. And yeah, so make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. Go check out the Shimmerz Paints website. Remember to put my name in the comments to get your freebie. I will link all of the colors that I am using down below, because these not only can be used for spring, summer, but they also can be used for fall because of the color tones that they are. They fit those collections wonderfully, and it fits this collection as well. So I do come in at the end with Sunset Strip. That is the Vibez that I come in with for splatters. You'll see that. And then I add these honeybees or bees or bumblebees or whatever they are. And that ends it. So you'll see the still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. And yeah, so watch a little bit of this, and then you will see the still shots and everything at the end. Make sure that you also hit that subscribe button and that bell button to get notified each and every time that I get uploaded. I do it between 2 to 3 times a week. I hope that you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!